Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to join the Amazon Influencer Program. First, I am going to search on Google Amazon Influencer Program. I'm going to click on it. So Amazon Influencer Program is basically a program that will help you to earn commission when you promote a product. So you will basically get the benefit of creating your own Amazon storefront where you can put products in that storefront, and once somebody clicks on that link and purchase the item, you will get a commission from that purchase. So I'm going to click on sign in. Now they'll give you the option of using an existing customer account. So if you have an account before, you can use that account and sign in. But if you don't, you can click on create a new account to get access to Amazon. So you insert your first name, last name, your email address, and create a password and click create. Now because I have my Amazon account already, I'm going to click on sign in, put in my information, which is my email and password. I'm going to click on sign in, enter the 6-digit code that was sent to my email to verify that I am the one that is logging into my account, and I'm going to click on submit code. You can also try other ways of verification where you insert your phone number and they'll send a code to your phone. Now you will be given the option of choosing whichever social media platform you have the most influence on in terms of likes and followers, whether it may be Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook. Now because I have the most influence on YouTube out of all my social media platform, I'm going to sign up with YouTube. Now I'm going to click on allow to give access to them. Then I'll receive a message saying, yay, you are eligible for the program. So I can go ahead and upload my photo, and I can upload a cover image, and the cover image can be created on Canva. And I'm going to click on next. So now this is what my Amazon storefront would look like when you click on the link in my bio. So on my Amazon storefront, I uploaded my cover photo that I created on Canva, put a little message in the bio, and I also add some idea lists. So different items I have skincare products, kitchen, electronics, and Christmas finds. So those are the few items that I have in my Amazon storefront so far. I'll add more as time goes by. Now, whenever somebody clicks on one of the items, for example, purchase a Christmas tree from my Amazon storefront, based on the price, I'll get a small commission. And that's basically it on how to create your own Amazon storefront and join the Amazon Influencer Program where you earn a commission. Now, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friend, and until next time, stay safe.